Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello traders, welcome to Real Apex Official. Today it's an introduction to our market structure. So without wasting any time, let's move into the next slide. So market structure. Actually, what is market structure? Market structure in the forex refer to organization and a framework within which currency trading occur, including the number and the large size of participants, competition, and the market interaction. In a nutshell, it can be said that the framework within which the foreign currency or the foreign exchange takes place is known as market structure. So actually people create a mess between the price action and the market structure. So before understanding the market structure, let's move into a price action and understand that what is the price action. So price action. The price action in the forex involves analyzing the price movement on a chart without indicator, focusing on a pattern, trend and support and resistance level to make the trading decision. Okay. So easily or in easy way we can say that the price action in the forex is just analyzing the movement of the market without any indicator, okay? Or we can say that the price action or the patterns created by the price during its movement, okay? So there are three main type of patterns that which the price create. The first one of them is known as the uptrend, the second one is known as downtrend, and the third one is known as the ranging, okay? So let us understand these patterns, but before discussing these trends or these patterns, we have to understand the key points of these patterns, okay? So the key points is break of structure, which will be indicated as a boss, okay? The second one is change of character. It's also the breakup structure, but it's a special case of the breakup structure. And whenever you see the H or L, it would mean the high or the low. HH mean higher high, higher low, okay, and so on. So remember these points, keep it in your mind, and let's move to the next slide. So the breakup structure, okay, so how we can understand it, okay? The break of recent high or a recent low, okay, or the break of recent high or low to the either side, okay, that is up or down, okay? So generally the price create the high and the low, okay? The price just move in the form of waves, okay? It go forward, then backward, then forward, then backward, okay? So we can easily say that the price just move to the upside, then come back, okay? There are just two type of movement. The price will either go up, either down, okay? So when the price is usually breaking the recent high, okay, the price just pushed to the upside, then came back, okay, created a high and a low right here, okay, then again pushed to the upside, okay. So break this structure, break this recent high to the upside, okay, then again come back, okay, and then again push to the upside, okay, breaking this high, okay, and in the same way the price is just going up, okay. So here what the price has done, it has just break the structure to a downside, okay, then again push to the upside. So it is creating the high, so high, low, then again higher low, higher high, higher low, okay, higher, and now it has break the structure to a downside. So it has created the low, then this low, okay. So we can say that it has created the lower low, okay, and it has created the low, then this high, okay, recent high. So we can say that it has created the lower high, okay. So here what we can see that the price is breaking this structure, okay, breaking the structure and going to the upside. So this is known as the breakup structure, okay. Here what we can see that the price has just broke the structure to a downside, okay. The price was going up and suddenly it break the recent low to a downside. So it is known as the breakup structure, but in this case we will call it change of character, okay. It's the first indication that the price doesn't want to go up anymore, or the price is changing its direction. So let us understand in the detail the uptrend. So uptrend, what is uptrend? So the continuous breaking of a structure to the upside or the recent high, okay, while the price is going up. Sorry, here a high is missing. So the continuous break of the structure to the upside or the recent high while the price is going up. So it has created the high, it is created the low, okay. It has created the low, then price pushed to the upside impulsively, break this structure. In the same phenomena here, the price just pushed to the upside, break this structure. Here same phenomena again, okay. And usually in this type of scenario, the price just going up again and again, or we can say that the price is just moving to the upside. So that's the movement of the price to the upside is known as uptrend, okay. So what is downtrend? The continuous breakup structure to a downside or the recent low when the price is going downward, okay. The first scenario, we will have that the price will going downward, okay. Then the second case, what we would have here, that the price will be just breaking the recent low, okay, the recent low. So here we can see that the price has just created the low, the high, okay, break the recent low, okay, break this low to a downside, okay, then again push to the upside for the retracement or for the correction purpose, okay, then again prices just break this recent low, or we can say the lower low, to a downside, and again same phenomena right here, okay. So the price is going down and it is breaking the recent lows, okay, so we call it the downtrend. Ranging. Now let's understand ranging. What is ranging? Actually, ranging is known as consolidation. It's when the price is neither going to the upside nor to a downside and just consolidate between the recent high and the recent low, okay. So here a low is formed, okay, and then a high is formed, and now the price is just ranging between this high and low. So as a result, range is formed, okay, the price is consolidation. So this type of movement when the price is neither breaking to the upside, structure to the upside nor to a downside is known as ranging or consolidation, okay. So for the better understanding, let's move to the live chart. So as we have discussed this uptrend earlier, so here we will be just try to understand it on a live market. So there was two scenario in uptrend, okay, that from those scenarios or from those conditions, we will say that the price is in the uptrend. The first scenario was right here, okay, the price will be going up. So what we can see right here, that the price is just going up in the uptrend, okay, in the upward direction. The second scenario was that the price will break the structure to the upside, okay. So price will break the structure to the upside, that we can see right here, okay. So let's try to understand that how the price is going up and how it is breaking the structure. So what we can see just right here, okay, that the price is going down, okay. Here we can see that the price is going down, okay. It has created a high, okay, then impulsively pushed to the downside, okay. So created a low right here, okay, this is the high, and this is the low created by the price. Then price just impulsively pushed back to the upside, okay. This is the breakup structure. The price caused the breakup structure, the break up the recent high, which is also known as change of character, okay. So we have to name it as change of character. Okay, so price causes the change of character. It's the first indication that the price doesn't want to go down anymore, okay. So the price is just in a bullish trend. So how we can say that the price is bullish trend? It will break this recent high, okay, which is did it right here, okay, break the structure to the upside, okay, created another higher high. Why we call this point as a higher high, or this point is known as a higher high? Because it is high than this high, okay. So we can say that price has created a higher high, and this is known as a higher low. So here we can see that the price has just impulsively pushed to the upside, created a higher high, okay, break this structure. So in this case, as the trend is finished and a new trend is starting, so we name it as change of character, okay. So the price has created another higher low, then impulsively pushed to the upside, okay, break the structure to the upside, okay, break the recent high or the higher high to the upside, okay, created another higher high, and then pushed back to a downside for the retracement purpose or for the correction purpose. Then again the price is just going up, so it will what do we expect? That it will create another higher high, because just the price is in the uptrend or the bullish trend, okay. So right again the price has just break the structure, created higher high. So now what we expect the price just to pull back or to retrace, okay. So we expect the price just to came back, okay. So the price has created a higher low, okay. And now what we expect from the price? Just to break this higher high and create a new high, okay. So we can see it right here, just the price has just impulsively pushed to the upside, okay, and just break this high, okay, and created another higher high. So now what the price has to do? Price has just to do a pullback or come down for the retracement purpose, okay. So here we can see that the price has come down, and now what we expect? That the price will break this recent high just because the price is going up, okay. So here we can say that the price is going up and break the structure and created another higher high. So the price just meet our two scenarios, okay. The price is just going up and breaking the recent structure to the upside, so we can call this as a bullish trend, or we can mark this as a bullish trend, okay. Whenever the price just meet these two criterias, okay, if the price is going up and breaking the recent structures to the upside, so we will call it an uptrend. We will say that the price is an uptrend, okay. Now just let's try to understand the bearish trend, okay, or the downtrend. So now what we can see right here, that the price is just going down, okay. We have two scenarios for the bearish trend right here or everywhere, okay. The first scenario is that the price will be going down, so we can see clearly that the price is going down, okay. And the second scenario is that the price will break the structure to a downside, or the price will just break the recent low. So let's try to understand how the price is breaking the recent lows, okay. So here, right here, just wait. So here what we can see, that the price has just created a high, then impulsively pushed back to a downside, okay, or pushed to a downside, okay, created a low right here. Then for the correction, for the retracement or whatsoever, okay, the purpose is the price just pulled back, okay, to the upside, creating a lower high, or in this case the price has just created an equal highs, okay. We will discuss equal highs, double top, also known as double top, etc. in the upcoming videos, so we are not discussing it right here. Just keep it in mind that the price has created a lower high, okay. So now the price has just pushed to a downside, break this low, okay. So we can say that the price is breaking the recent low, okay, and the price is coming down, so we can say that the price is in bearish trend. So now the price has just impulsively pushed to the upside, created another lower high. Why this is known as the lower high? Just because this is the lower than this high, okay, created a low than this high, okay, so known as the lower high. And why this area is known as lower low? Just because it is the low created than this low, okay, so this is known as the lower low. We have identified that the price is in bearish trend, okay. So what we expect from this price, okay, that it has to break this low in the future. Why? Just because the price is in the bearish trend, okay. So we can see right here, okay, that the price is just going down and now break this structure, okay. Now what we expect from the price? Just to pull back to this area or to this area right here, okay, that the price for the correction, it maybe go to this low high or this main structure or from this low structure. Price has to just pull back, okay. Then the price has, for the correction purpose, the price has to go to the upside, okay. So the price has went to the upside, okay. Now what we expect, that the price has just to take out this low, okay. The price has to come down, take out this low, okay, and break the structure to a downside, as we know that the price is in the bearish trend. Okay, so we wait for that. And now we can see that the price has just break the structure to a downside, created another lower low. Okay, so now what we expect a pullback. Okay, so the price is just coming up or going up for the pullback purpose, so it has created a lower high. Okay, a lower high. So what we expect from the price, just because the price is in bearish trend, so price has to take out this low, okay, or break this structure. So now let's see, and the price has just break this structure. So there were our two scenarios, okay, that the price will be going down and the price will be breaking the structure to a downside. So the price is going down, okay, the price is going down and price is breaking these lows or this structure to the downside. So we can say that the price is in the bearish trend. Okay, now as we have discussed the ranging, so let's try to understand this ranging on a live chart. In the ranging, we have discussed that the price will be neither going to the upside or the price will be neither breaking the structure to the upside nor to a downside. Okay, it will just consolidate between the high and the low. So what we can see right here, we can see a clear high. Okay, the price break the structure, created a high, and the price has created a low right here. So the price is just consolidating between this high, okay, and this low, neither breaking the structure to the upside. Many people will say that it has break the structure to the upside, so we mark this as a liquidity grab. Okay, so this is a liquidity grab that we will discuss in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is not the backup structure, it's just a liquidity grab to activate the stops, to stop out the people, okay, to activate the orders or stop some buyers or sellers, okay, whatever that is. Everyone know that the price is in ranging, so they sell from here, buy from here, so the market has to take them out. Okay, stop loss above these areas, okay, so it just hit the stop loss and then came back. Okay, so that caused liquidity, so we will discuss in detail in the upcoming videos. Okay, so here just try to understand that the price has just created a high, a low, okay, and now the price is just consolidating or ranging between this high and the low, neither breaking the structure to the upside nor to a downside. But here the price has just clearly break the structure to the upside. Okay, here we can say that the price has break the structure to the upside, so the price is not ranging anymore. Okay, and now we will be looking for a buy. Okay, why? Just because the price is in uptrend. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have learned something from it, then press that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for the next videos.